Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027, how to change units to feet and inch. So if you want to change the units, you can type DWG units, press enter, and we show for unit length. In here, set into number 3, it's mean the units in millimeters, and if you want to change to inch, you can type 1, press enter, and then enter again until done. Now you can type units, press enter again, and then you can change for the length here, like into engineer, or you can use the architectural. Click OK to apply. You also can change from the dimensions modify. You can tap D, press enter to move into the dimension style manager. Click modify, and then go to primary units. You can change unit format here to the architectural. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD 2027, how to change units to feet and inch.